Good morning, guys. Welcome to a beautiful Sunday morning. It's fantastic out here. I thought I would get up early and take the 911 out for a drive this morning. So come along for a ride, and I hope you enjoy the sights and sounds of the 911 GTS out on a country, twisty road. Supple, even though I'm in sport, keeps the car very controlled, but I am over bumps and it just keeps the body in check. So there's enough compliance to deal with these bumps, but yet firmness to keep the car stable in the tightest of turns. So much fun. Oh, that was so much fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Just a quick country blast in the 2015 Porsche 911 GTS. It was so much fun. It confirms why I love this car so much. I hope you got a little taste of it by this video. If you like, please hit that like button. Please subscribe to the channel to see more, and I'll see you in the next video, everybody. Safe driving, everyone.